Series 20 Spin Master Monster Jam Wolf's Head. Series 20 poster is a picture of Northern Nightmare. In Series 20, we get Alternate Dimensions Thunderbus, which is a cool looking design for a monster truck diecast. And then we have Arena Favorites of the new diecast tooling for the body of Big Kahuna in Arena Favorites. And then in Arena Favorites, there's Wolf's Head, which we are going to look at here shortly. Then Zombie in the Boneyard Trucks. I believe that is the Biker Zombie. Then we have El Toro Loco in Sheer Madness. Then Max Contrast of the Grave Digger. Down below, then there's the Retro Rebels of Grave Digger. Very cool looking. Legacy Trucks has Northern Nightmare. Showtime, we have Shaker. Here is the Wolf's Head, and we're going to start off with those bright red wheels that they have on this truck here in Series 20, and red wheelie bar to do those different tricks. You can put it on the front or back. I'm going to take it off for right now. And let's go up close here, bring the truck up close. It does have a little bit of a different color to the truck itself. It's a little bit darker in person compared to the other version that came out before. So it looks a little bit darker to me. So let's go ahead and bring it up closer to the camera here. It does have Star Creations logo on the back here on the side of the truck, and then it has the Wolf's Head logo, also the Monster Jam logo, and then there's another logo below the Monster Jam logo, and I can't make that one out too well. It looks like FT something, another letter. Let's go ahead, turn it around to the front. Very nice. On to the other side. And then to the back, we have Wolf's Head Motor Oil. And it says since 19 something. I'm not able to make it out. Small printing right there. But then on top, you have Wolf's Head Motor Oil. And still, I can't make out the date of it. But let's go ahead and bring in the first version of Wolf's Head. Now you can see some differences here with those black wheels and then the red beadlock rings going around it. I like the red beadlock rings better than just a solid color for the wheels. And also the chassis itself is red here on the older version, which in real life it wouldn't be like that. It'd be something more closer to this gray version of it. So you can see the differences of the two trucks right there. It still has the black roll cage going into the suspension and motor and everything like that of the truck. So that pretty much wraps up this unboxing for the Wolf's Head. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. There are more trucks coming your way here in Series 20 for the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Thank you for tuning in.